How's it going, everyone? Today I want to show you how to use the scoop coater stand that I've designed here. I was looking for something online to help stand screens up against a wall or up on a table like this, and just couldn't find anything that suited my needs, so I designed one. There's a couple ways that you can use this. You can use two, so you can put one on either side so it's super stable, or honestly I've gotten to where I just use one just because I know how to balance it, and it seems to do a good enough job. One thing that I did want to point out is sometimes you may get a little bit of emulsion on the stand itself. No worries, that's not a big deal. Scratches right off when it's dried, so, and it doesn't really, if you wanted to leave it on, it doesn't really impact it anyway, so yeah, not a big deal. But let me show you how this works. So what you want to do is you want to take your scoop coater and place this up against the wall as close as you can. And you want to make sure that this is at a 90-degree angle, so whether or not you're doing this up against a wall or on a table up against a wall, or however, you can use baseboards, but it does add a little bit of an angle depending on how thick the baseboards are. So if you can avoid using a baseboard, that is better. So you can see here I've got this right up against it, and then we're just going to set our screen on it with the substrate side facing us first. Make sure that this is good and pressed up against the walls. Take your scoop coater, and with two hands up against it, what you're gonna do is coat just like you would a normal screen. So you can add a little pressure and then just pull right up, right off the top. And then of course, if you wanted to do another coat, you could. That's that. Then super easy, the only thing you gotta do, flip this upside down, put it up against here. This is at an angle, so if you have a good tension screen, you shouldn't have any of this touching, but it's okay if it does. So again, you're gonna coat this side just like so. So pressure, right up, off again. If you wanna do another coat, boom, right there. And there you would have a perfectly coated screen without having to worry about balancing it as you're coating it. If you did have two, what you could do is place one on this side over here, one right here, and then set the screens down on it like so. Now you don't have to worry about it teetering, going from side to side. It's perfectly flush. If you want to pick one up, you can get it down in the description below if you're watching this on YouTube, or if you're watching this as an instructional video, thanks for purchasing the product. We'll see you next time.